In today's video, I am going to teach you how to mail merge in New Outlook. If you've ever needed to send the same message to many people without exposing everyone's addresses or using clunky copy and paste, this built-in mail merge option is a clean, reliable way to send individual emails at scale. Each recipient gets a separate message, which keeps things professional and protects privacy. Start by opening a fresh message. In New Outlook, click New Mail in the top left corner. This gives you a blank canvas for your subject and body, and it's where you'll enable the Mail Merge option. Next, locate the Mail Merge controls. You can find them in one of two places. Open the Options tab and choose Start Mail Merge, or click the small drop-down arrow next to the Send button and select Start Mail Merge there. Either route gets you into the same mode. You are not sending anything yet. You are just telling Outlook that this message should go out as individual emails rather than one big group send. Now, add your recipients. In the recipient field, type or paste all the email addresses you want to reach. If you are pasting from a list, make sure the addresses are separated properly as they were in your source. Take a moment to skim for typos, extra spaces, or duplicates. Small mistakes in the recipient field are the most common cause of bounces. So a quick check here saves time later. Compose your message as you normally would. Add a clear subject line that sets expectations, then write your email body. Keep it concise, friendly, and specific about the action you want readers to take. You can use formatting like bold or italics and include links for clarity. Read it aloud once to catch tone and grammar issues. And make sure it still makes sense when read by someone who isn't expecting your message. If you are reusing content, double-check that any time-sensitive details are current. When you are ready, click Send Mail Merge. Outlook will begin sending separate copies, one per recipient. Behind the scenes, it's best to keep Outlook open during this process, especially if you have a large list, so everything can send smoothly. Depending on your connection and the size of your list, it may take a little time to finish. Finally, verify that everything went out as intended. Open your Sent Items folder and look for the subject you used. You'll see each individual message listed there. A quick count or search by subject helps you confirm that all recipients were included and that the content looks right. That's all you need to perform a mail merge in New Outlook. Thanks for watching.